Hi, I am Eliza Zakir, a BE Mechatronics Engineering student from Heran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro from Pakistan. The project we created is prosthetic hand for healthcare and assistive technology applications. Losing a hand can drastically reduce a person's ability to perform daily tasks, making them dependent on others. For many disabled individuals, advanced prosthetic devices are unaffordable, while cheaper options often have very limited functionality. This creates a gap between what disabled persons need and what they can actually access. That's why we created this device, prosthetic hand, that is affordable, lightweight, and customizable option. It uses muscle sensor detected by an EMG sensor to control finger movements, allowing natural interaction with the environment. Prosthetic hand has been fabricated by ourselves using a 3D printer that is also designed by ourselves, ensuring a tailored fit and cost effectiveness.
I am Mohammed Bilal, and in this video I am gonna demonstrate our project, that is prosthetic hand. So we will discuss all the features, all the components that we have used to make this incredible project work. So basically this whole project is mostly 3D printed, from all the fingers to the hand and forearm. Talk about the components. We are using servo motors, 4 servo motors, as this was a restriction for this competition, that we can only use maximum 4 servo motors, and so we are using MG 996R servo motors and Arduino Nano, and we are using EMG sensor that will sense the muscle voltage, and we can use that muscle voltage to actuate our servo motors. So as you can see, we are using only 3 servo motors for 5 finger actuation. This servo motor is for the thumb movement, and this servo motor is for these 2 finger movement, and this servo motor is for these 2 fingers. And we are using 2 lithium-ion batteries of 6.6 volt, maximum 6.2 to 3 volt, and we are using one servo here that will rotate our wrist. As you can see, this is our servo connected here. This servo will rotate the wrist. So this is the internal structure of our prosthetic hand.